In this video I'm going to show you how you can start putting in the video that goes along with this. If you saved and went to your browser, you'll see something like this, so hopefully some kind of black box of this. Yours might vary a little because I think I messed with my CSS here up at the top. Yeah, yours looks like yours looks like this. So right now I just messed around with my rows up here because right now my first row is 40, my second row is minimum 400 and then auto, and then we need some kind of height, so it's not only 100. So I just typed in 300, that's my third row. That's why it's so big here. So that might be the changes that we're seeing compared to each other, and I was in this one. We're going to put in the video here. So this is an HTML5 tag for videos. This doesn't work if you're using for what's it called, YouTube and so on. Then it's another way to do it. But in this case, if we have a specific link, we can use this way. An ID, we're going to call it video, and we're going to do an autoplay, so we don't have to hit a play button. Basically, it just, once the page is loading, it starts loading this video, and we're going to mute it because if there's sound, we don't want any, in this case at least. So we are muting it. Preload. Oops, that's just pre. We want preload, and this is basically before the, how do we explain it? Before the image or the page of the HTML is being loaded, it's looking at things like this. So if this says preload, make sure that it has all, if the video is kind of big, which it shouldn't be, by the way, but if it's like megabytes or something like this, don't load the page until the video is ready to be shown instantaneously. That's what this does actually. And then we're doing a loop. Go over there, edit loop, like this. So we're just telling it that, dude, you need to continue actually doing this. So autoplay on start, mute, be quiet, preload, make sure that it's ready before we start, and just once you're done, start it over. So we're just looping it continuously. Now we need the source, and this is kind of like what you've already seen with when you were linking to other things, so image source and stuff like this. And in here we need to find a video, and there's many places actually, but this is just one. This is called, I don't know what, SVG, whatever. This is videos online you can go in and steal, and I already stole some. I can't remember why I put my picture of the flower thingy, but just get in here and see if there's something you like. This one in this case. And to get this video, just right click and go to there we go, copy web address to video. So do this and go back to your Visual Studio Code and just paste this in. So it should be something kind of a long link like this. And the important thing is, because we're using this this HTML, we need to actually type in what type it is. If I can get R, I need to go over there. So, but there we go. It's because this one is, I couldn't see all of my screen. I need to go over here. So at the end of this, I need to type in type. Type equals double those video /mp4. And then I end it. So the reason we do this is to make sure that browsers, so Firefox, Chrome, Safari and so on, they know, and some of them can see this, some of them can't. So we're going to copy this entire line here, copy, and we're just going to paste it here. And instead of writing mp4, we're going to write webm, so web movie, because some of the systems out there, some of the browsers won't be able to show, but right now we're just making sure that all of the browsers, well, most of them, are able to actually see this. So this is how we would implement the videos. It won't work yet, but this is just the HTML part. See you in the next video.